And here is the last of 4 of your Road Champs 1/43rd scale fire trucks. Again, this one is a Washington, D.C. truck. The mirrors fold out like the other ladder truck did. There you go, as you can see. And of course the wimpy little white plastic ladder that's kind of lost its ability to stay up on its own. I guess it's an old truck. Anyway, no. Sorry about the bad joke. This one is the one, you said one of these you wanted on 15 volts AC, DC. This one, as you can see, we have wires on the bare on the end. Does not matter which way these are hooked up, since it can be used AC or DC. So I'll show you in a little bit that I'm not some magic man from the future. But this battery, you can use it positive, minus, doesn't matter which way you hook it to the wires. Again, it's going to run on AC or DC. This one's set up just like the St. Louis one from earlier. Headlight strobes, tail light strobes. This one does not use a circuit board since I had to go with a higher voltage on this one. That circuit board will not handle 15 volts no matter how hard I try, or what type of resistor or voltage regulator I use. It seems like it just messes up once you go above 9, actually 12 volts. Go to 15, it freaks it out, and it'll run for a little bit, stop. Gets pretty warm and then resets and starts over. So I'm sure after a few times they just want to just ruin it. So we don't use them on the higher voltage. Anyway, set up the same headlight strobes, red strobes over those, red strobes in the rooftop light bars, red strobes on the rear right here, which rhymes, and the flashing tail lights on this one. Again, it doesn't matter which way these are hooked up since it'll work on AC. So we can hook it this way, and it works. Or we can take it, flip it around, and it's going to work this way too. There you go. Again, I'm not a magic man, just the way electronics work when you use a rectifier. Got to hold them on the battery though, if I can do that. We'll go over the lighting. Should have trimmed that one back a little bit more. There we go. So again, headlight strobes, red strobes above those, red strobes on the roof. Flashing taillights, and then your red strobes up top. Again, no circuit board used on this one because of the voltage is too high, and it flips out my circuit board. So there you have it, brother. Appreciate all the orders. I'll get these mailed out to you, as I said, with the other one tomorrow, but it's going to be tomorrow. I'll mail them out. So a different tomorrow than the first tomorrow I gave you. So again, if you can hold these on here, that's why you want to wire it up to a power supply on your train. So thank you very much, and like I said, appreciate the orders and look forward to doing the next ones for you. I'm sure you've got some on the way already. Thanks again. Have a good night.